another adventure, Mr. Captain Bubbles. I'm your host, Mr. Captain Bubbles. Say hi, Squirt. Squirt is so sweet. He's got manners. Do you got manners? Maybe we'll talk about that in another video. But today, we're going to be talking about dusting. Now, have any of you ever wondered how to properly dust a frame? You have? Well, shoo! You come to the right place. Now, let me show you how it's done. Now, all you need is your finger. Follow my lead. Just like that. Woo! Sure doesn't look good. What did you think about that, Squirt? You thought it was easy? Well, shoot! I hope it was. That's the whole point. Miss Raptor. Well, that about wraps it up here for today. We want to thank you, Squirt and I, for joining us on this here cleaning adventure. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Squirt wanted me to remind y'all to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, Squirt. And just like the old philosopher Bubba Locrates used to tell me, a clean space is a happy place.